Got to do next, but I can't get the can. Yeah, and I used to smoke weed from a can. Yeah, I never knew that I would wake up, be the man. Yeah, she tried to say that I was still acting like a fool, but really I'm just packing all my tools. You gotta use them when you lose them. I didn't know that I was kinda getting confusing. It's so confusing. I never knew that I was still gonna be the one with losers. Yeah, I'm committing suicide on the beat till I die. Didn't know that I could ride. Yeah, I gotta decide. Didn't wanna say that I'm gonna hide all of my feelings until I die. Yeah, she take that shit to the grave. Didn't know that she was gonna act like a slave to that dope, but even when my coat is cold, but I can say that I flow like water and it's like whatever. Yeah, I got a bottle with a lot of throttle. Didn't know that I was walking with the models. And she said, where the fuck you go? I went back to Chicago. Yeah, that's the topo. Yeah, we just be jumping on shit like we on the top rope. I didn't know this was a verse until I gotta break it, but she stole it like a purse. Yeah, and I say that I'm cursed. You can say that I am the motherfucking worst thing coming out the game, coming running. You can say that I'm stunting, but I never bluffing. Yeah, I got the blunts, I'm blunt rolling. Yeah, you never knew that I was gonna say that bitch is a cunt and she's stolen. Yeah, she's hoes, but she never knew that she was supposed to be the one that was getting close with God. I didn't say that I was a toddler. I'm just kids in the middle of the foster. Yeah, I'm in school, but I never knew that I would be the bully that ruled.
This guy.